This new Amazon product is best why I will tell you about it. Portable air conditioner fan. Let's break down its features. Powerful, quickly cooling. This fan delivers rapid cooling, providing instant relief from the heat. Perfect for those scorching days. Comfortable, gentle wind. Equipped with an innovative wind ring system, this mini cooling fan ensures efficient air circulation. You'll enjoy a consistent and refreshing breeze whether you're indoors or outdoors. Ultra-quiet. Decibels. Need peace and quiet? The ultra-low decibel levels of this portable air conditioner create a serene atmosphere, allowing you to stay cool without any disturbance. Stay comfortable and beat the heat. If you went to buy, this link is in the description.